functions. So definition here, let A and B be two non-empty sets. Two non-empty sets A to B. That is a subset of A cross B. The function is a subset of A cross B. Is called a function or a mapping or a map from A to B. From A to B. If for each A belongs to A belongs to A, then there exists B belongs to B, such that AB belongs to F. AB belongs to F. Number 2 here, A comma B belongs to F and A comma C belongs to F, then B is equal to C. Thus, a non-void subset F of A cross B is a function from A to B if each element of A appears in some ordered pair in F and no two ordered pair in F have the same first elements. If AB belongs to F, then B is called the image of A, or B is called the image of A under F. So see here, this is the definition of a function. Now I am giving an example here. Let A equal to here 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a non-empty set, and B here A, B, C, D, E. B is also a non-empty set. Throw here this is figure 1. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here A, B, C, D, E. F is a function. F. Function means some relations. If this is a set A, this is a set B. So see here, 1 is related to, suppose A, 2 is related to B, 4 is related to C. So this one is not a function because 3, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 have no image in set B. So therefore, this figure, this one is not a function. F is not a function because one element in set A have no image in set B. So this one is not a function. Now another example here. One, 2, 3, 4. Here A, B, C, D, E. Now see here, this is a function F here. Here one have a image here A, here 2, B and 3, is C, 4 is here E, and 4 also here F. This is figure number 2. Figure number 2. So see here, one have a image A, 2's image is B, 3's image is C, 4 have two different images, D and E. A person could not be two different images. So that's why this one is not a function. This one is not a function. So both are not a function. So the given figure one